free?
Always.
We're drifting into sea here. How do you like this?
It sucks.
Are you? No, it doesn't. It's cool.
Well, it's epic.
There's always something to do. That's what takes up our day. Grocery shopping takes longer, everything takes longer. Okay, I'll put the rest in the dinghy and then I'll fill up this stuff. I like to have fuel. When I see it, I like to buy it. Sandy's got a brownie happening.
It's really soft.
She's a brownie fanatic. I'm not. Oh, it's very sweet.
Whoop.
Wow, there's a lot of sugar in there.
Yeah, I can taste it.
You went right for the brownies, eh? You're amazing. Loves those brownies. Sandy hates to have sand in her shoes. You gotta take your shoes off?
No,
Uh-oh, here we are treasure hunting.
it's a little too cold.
Well, I'm gonna dip my feet in. Oh, it's beautiful. The water's beautiful. It's warm. Sandy, I'm not kidding you. Woo! Beautiful. Hey, listen, I am not kidding you. She thinks I'm lying. I am not lying. Hey guys, I've got these cool Crocs. These are actually Crocs. They look like shoes. Love it. They work great. Hey guys, we're having a sundowner. Thanks a lot for following along, and we'll see you next time.